Do you like Japanese curry? Curry has been a favorite of Japanese kids for a long time. It is also a favorite food for parents to cook, as it is super easy and never goes wrong. You can use boxed curry roux, but I'm going to use Japanese curry powder because it is much cheaper than the boxed roux. Also, you can make your own original taste. Let's get started. First, cut the vegetables. Peel 2 potatoes and cut them into cubes. Then leave them in the water for a while to take the excess starch off. Peel a carrot and use a rangiri cutting style to chop them up. Rangiri means scatter's cut, and it's done by rotating and cutting the carrots on an angle, not straight slicing. We do this cutting style to increase the surface area of vegetables. This makes them absorb the cooking liquid more, enhancing the flavor. This is good cutting technique for dishes like sichu and braises. Wedge 2 onions. I'm going to use a pressure cooker to reduce the cooking time. Don't worry, of course you can cook curry in a regular pot. Please check the description box below for instructions on how to cook Japanese curry using a regular pot. Now, we can move to the oven top. Oil the heated pan, then add the vegetables. Actually, I forgot to add minced garlic and ginger. Please fry 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger before putting in the vegetables. Drain the potatoes and add them in. Stir a bit, then add water till it almost covers all the vegetables. Then add chicken. Yes, I put the chicken in without cutting it up. You will see later what I'm going to do with it. Put the lid on. The cooking time depends on the pressure cooker, but mine works like this. Cook it on high heat until the weight starts shaking. Once the weight shakes hard, reduce the heat. Then wait for 1 minute with weights shaking. As pressure is on, the pressure indicator pin comes up. In about 20 minutes, the pressure indicator pin has dropped. Let's open the lid. After cooking, the chicken is very tender and falls apart easily. I use a tongue and cooking scissors to cut it into bite-sized pieces. This way, I don't need to touch raw meat, so it's mess-free, and I don't need to wash the chopping board either. Let's move on to making the curry roux. Put 45 grams of butter into a heated pan, then add 55 grams of flour. Mix them together till it becomes smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon of S&B curry powder. I'm making very mild curry for my young kids. If you like spicy, add 1 more tablespoon of curry powder. Then mix it well. The roux is ready. I usually make a double batch and keep half in the freezer for next time. Let's go back to the pot. Put roux in the pot, but don't put it directly. I used a miso strainer, but it wasn't a good idea. The roux didn't go through the tiny mesh. So I recommend you to use a ladle to dilute the roux in it. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock. After all the roux has mixed, then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, which could be a substitute to barbecue sauce or oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of honey. Then turn the low heat on. Mix and add half a teaspoon of salt. Keep mixing to avoid burning the bottom of the pot. Check the taste and add more sauce or salt if you prefer. Once it's thickened, it's all done for the curry. I sometimes mash the potato to make the curry thicker. My rice is ready now. If you want to know how to cook rice in the pot, please watch my other video. When the rice is cooked in the rice cooker, mix the rice straight away. Don't mash the rice. Scoop from the bottom and flip and cut gently. Try to put air in the rice. This makes rice nice and fluffy. Put rice in the bowl and pour the curry. Let's eat. If you couldn't finish the curry, you could freeze the curry to keep longer, but potatoes should be mashed. Otherwise, their texture becomes weird once they're freezed. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. If you press the bell button as well, you won't miss my new videos when I upload them. Thank you. またね。
ごちそうさまでした。